Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl AshaKosh back again with a new video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you're notified every time your girl makes a post. I'm your girl if you didn't know. Don't be an astronaut because the astronauts are the subscribers. The astronauts are, the gang. And if you want to be part of the gang, you gotta do the thing and subscribe.
AK, Asha, AK, Kosh, AK, Asha,
So today's video is gonna be sponsored by Wholesale Hair, and I love their hair company. I have a link to their hair company and this here in the description for you guys, so you guys save some money because you know your girl got you on them coins, okay? I was literally having a panic attack installing this wig, so I don't really know what those clips were coming out because I was crying like throughout the whole time because I'm a perfectionist, and when I feel like stuff isn't eaten, it really irritates my soul. But I know that I'm practicing, trying to be better at installing wigs, and I feel like comment down what y'all think I did. Did I do a pretty good job for somebody that's really trying to like really body hair, so I know it's not the best, but you know what I'm saying, for no training and no classes, with those YouTube and TikTok tutorials, I did my thing. So yeah, if you're ready for this video, definitely, stay tuned. Yeah, if you guys want to just talk with me, be here, chill with me while I get my hair done, then, grab you some popcorn, grab you a wine cooler, grab you a drink, snack, whatever, and, get to watching.
What it do, everybody? So I'm starting off with my got to be glue and brushing my edges back, just so that it's out the way, you know what I'm saying? Because I got some long edges, so you got to brush them back. I pinned my hair back because I did a natural style, like I didn't use no heat, cutting the ear tabs so that my ears can breathe because that bitch was tight. I used this cap. This cap was actually provided from the hair company, and now I'm just gonna start gluing that cap down and blow drying it. Doing the, I feel like everybody knows these steps because you see it all the time on TikTok. And I'm gonna be cutting the cap now. And I'm doing this method that I saw on TikTok too, which was like basically you don't cut the whole thing off, you just put the rest in the back. And I'm gonna be doing this more often because it really did what it needed to do. I was like, okay, period.
What's it giving? Is it giving or is it giving? Because I think it's giving.
Now, this is when I was a little happy because, I was like, okay, I'm getting it. And that's the bag that Hula Hair gives you. Has lashes, a band, the hair cap was in here, and basically stuff that you need for wigs. And it was nice because this one had a brush, and I was like, okay, brush. I didn't know they gave brushes now. So now I'm using my hair tint. I don't really like my hair tint, but, I bought it, so I'm going to use it. Because if you spend your money on it and it's just sitting here collecting dust, no, we're going to use it even though it don't work. And one thing that I learned about this wig or this cap, I don't think I like the cap being like this, like translucent, only because, like, I feel like if you have like a colored cap or a white cap, when you put that color on, it's gonna hide whatever, like it's gonna look like a ball cap. I feel like this was too translucent, and then I used like foundation because I was like, girl, I can still see my braids. And I know I saw these these tutorials, and bitch, it looked like just scalp, and it's not giving me scalp. It's just not. It's not giving me ball cap. I mean, it's like, of course it's on my head, but y'all know what I'm looking for, and it's not giving. But I'm like, okay, it's gonna do. Like, it's not that bad. So then I'm about to try on the wig. This is the wig. It came with highlights, and I really like whoever's, highlight this hair because this is good, y'all. Y'all definitely need to check out this wig in the description. I like this hair company because I told them, like, I needed a bigger head cap because my head is so big, and they gave me one that fit ear to ear, and I was like, okay, cool. And there's me hot combing the wig just to make sure that the hair is all neat before I lay down the glue. And that's me cleaning up the perimeter with the alcohol just to make sure that all the little stuff is gone. And that's the Kiss glue that I'm using. I've actually really liked it. I like the applicator, and I put on like 3 to 4 layers of glue. And that's me gluing it and blow drying it on the cool setting and hot to cool. And that's me pressing on the wig. And then I learned this new method where you put the heat on the cap, or first of all, you cut the excess lace, and then you put a hot comb and just melt the lace, and basically makes the glue in the hair and the lace like stay on your hair. So I've been doing a lot of research on these wigs, girl, because I'm trying to slay, and this is like me really trying to attempt to do a really good wig. Like, I was trying to be like, girl, call me Arrogant Tay because I do this, or Jonathan, give me a cheer. I'm smacking bitches. That's how good I want to do hair. Now I'm getting a little razor. I cut all the excess lace, and I'm like feeling it now. I'm like, okay, let's pull out these edges and get this on and popping. And this is where I kind of messed up. But like you're gonna see in my next video how I fixed it, and this is me like just pre-plucking. I already bleached and plucked the hair, but this is me just doing a little bit more just to make sure I got it. And I'm using a razor to like cut off the edges, and this is where I messed up. I should have like straightened the baby hair, but I didn't, and I feel like that's why they look kind of stiff. But you're gonna see when I redo this, because I was like, girl, I was crying, I was doing a lot, because I actually put on this wig twice.
Yeah, man, my girl doing her hair right now, man, and she is killing it. You digging the big thing.
Like, I know he thinks I'm crazy because I was crying doing my hair. Like, who cries and does their hair? I just think I'm just a perfectionist, and that's what it was, because the lighting was bad. Like, when you're doing hair, you need to have good lighting so that you can know what you're doing, because in this lighting, it gave yellow, but as you guys can see, it looks kind of dark. But when I turned on when I got outside in the sun, it didn't look like that. It honestly looked like lace. So I was like, damn, I was having a panic attack for nothing. And there's me putting on some like concealer on the lace just to give a more natural effect, and it's really doing what it's supposed to do. Like, y'all might need to get y'all hair started by me, because y'all can't tell me for somebody that really don't do hair, like I do it, like I'm tempting, or I'm getting better, I'm growing at it, you know. I did a good job. Y'all let me know. And this is me back at my house, because I was like, after having a panic attack, I was like, let me go to my house and use my tools and get the stuff that I knew that I have, because I left this tool, and I love this wand because it's just so easy to use, and it gives me the best bombshell waves. And as you guys can tell, like, y'all, it's giving. Y'all see these curls? Like, I'm about to put my last 2 curls in and show y'all what this wand really does, because I don't know. I've had this wand for like 2 or 3 years, and it hasn't let me down yet. Like, I am in love. Like,
so I got this Y2 comb, and I'm just gonna comb out the curls.
Curls, cause girl, look what happens when you comb them out. It's giving, I came from the beach. This is coming, like, it's giving. Like, look at the color. Like, this is cute. Like, this is giving.
Now we trying to do the edges or whatever. I got my small little my edge roller.
Now I'm doing the edges the correct way, like how I was telling y'all. Like, I need my heat tool. Like, as you can see, I got the little curler right there, curling that up. I don't know why this makes the edges look better, but if you didn't try this method, you need to, because it really does make the edges look good. I don't know why curling it upward gives that effect, but hey, I'm gonna do it because Arrogant Tay told me to do it, and girl, look at it, it's giving.
And this is the ending result of my hula hair tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I thank you guys for sticking to the end and enjoying my crazy self. And if you guys want this hair, definitely check my link in the description, because I have a link for you guys to save you some money. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!
AK, Asha.